There are typically 10 steps taken in the translation process. Step 1 is project review. The translator or project director meets with the client to discuss the material, the timeline, and available resources. They go over the material in order to catch any missing information or typos that could prevent an accurate translation. Step 2 involves template building and translation preparation. Should the source material be in an improper format, meaning it is non-editable, then it is placed in a temporary format that can be easily edited. Glossary development, which is step 3, is one of the most important steps. Here, translators develop a glossary for the project that all the translators can reference from during this project as well as in future projects. Should a glossary for this specific topic already exist, they update any old material. Doing this ensures consistency between projects as well as accuracy in modern terminology. Step 4 is translation. In this stage, a qualified translator who is experienced in the source language translates the materials into the target language. The next step is editing. The initial translations are received by a second qualified translator in order to capture any grammar, typography, word choice, or spelling errors. After editing, the next step is the translator and client review. The edits are returned to the original translator who determines if they will incorporate the changes into the translation. At this point, clients are able to review the translation to ensure authenticity and communicate any concerns. Step 7 is formatting. During this step, the translated material is edited to match the original format of the source material or a format that best meets the specific cultural nuances. Step 8 is where quality control and proofreading occurs. The material is checked to make sure all formatting is correct. This includes fonts, layout, names, headers and footers, margins, and graphics. Step 9 is the final translator review. The translators will conduct a final review of the material to ensure the text has been formatted correctly and that the source language has been properly translated into the target language. The material is then reviewed to make sure it has met all of the client's specifications. Finally, the material is delivered based upon the timeline or specific dates that the client provides.